The sun rises over a barren field, painting the sky in hues of gold and orange. As the first rays of light stretch across the horizon, the world seems quiet, just for a moment, before the day's work begins. Suddenly, the ground shakes with the awakening of giants. The earth itself seems to tremble in anticipation as if it knows that transformation is about to begin. A massive yellow excavator roars to life, its long arms stretching skyward, metal tracks grinding against the earth. The engine's deep rumble signals the start of a new chapter as this mechanical beast prepares to reshape the land. Nearby, a bulldozer growls, its steel blade gleaming as it shoves mountains of dirt aside. With every push, it clears the way for progress, moving earth that has lain undisturbed for centuries. Operators signal, and the machines surge forward, each with a clear purpose. There's a silent language between man and machine, a choreography of gestures and movements that keeps the work flowing smoothly. Dump trucks line up, engines idling, ready to haul away whatever the excavator and dozer unearth. Their drivers wait patiently, knowing their moment will come as soon as the first bucket is filled. A heavy transport truck arrives, delivering another bulldozer, slow, steady, and essential. Each new arrival adds to the power and capability of the team, ensuring that no obstacle is too great. The air fills with beeping alarms, roaring engines, and the crunch of steel on rock, a symphony of power and precision. Every sound is a note in the orchestra of construction, each machine playing its part in perfect harmony. Each machine has a job, and together they transform chaos into order. What was once wild and unformed is now shaped by human vision and mechanical might, as the landscape is sculpted with care and determination. This is where our roads, schools, and homes begin, with a patch of land and these mega machines. Every great structure starts with groundwork, and these machines are the unsung heroes of every community. They carve out the foundations of our future, turning mud and rock into a prepared canvas. Through rain, heat, and cold, they press on, relentless in their mission to build what's next. It's tough, dirty work, but these machines are built for it. Their steel frames and powerful engines are designed to endure the harshest conditions, day after day, year after year. Every day, all over the world, this scene unfolds, giants shaping the ground for what comes next. From bustling cities to remote countrysides, the symphony of steel plays on, echoing the universal drive to create and improve. The symphony of steel is the first note in every construction story. It's the overture to progress, the beginning of something new, and the promise that, with teamwork and determination, even the wildest landscapes can be transformed into the foundations of our future. Meet the excavator, the ultimate digger, a true giant of the construction world. With its imposing size and unmistakable silhouette, it's the first machine you'll spot on any major building site, ready to take on the toughest jobs. Its long boom and dipper arms stretch out like a mechanical arm, ending in a toothy bucket that's always hungry for earth. Those rugged steel teeth are designed to bite, tear, and scoop through soil, rock, and debris, making light work of even the hardest ground. The cab sits high above the tracks and can spin a full 360 degrees, giving the operator a commanding view and the ability to dig, swing, and dump without ever needing to reposition the heavy machine. This rotation means faster work and less wasted motion. Excavators are the go-to machines for digging holes, trenches, and foundations, whether it's carving out deep pits for towering skyscrapers, creating narrow trenches for water and gas pipes, or shaping the solid base for a new building. Their versatility makes them essential for every stage of construction. Inside the cab, operators use two joysticks to control the arm and bucket with incredible precision. With a gentle touch, they can perform delicate maneuvers, or with a push, unleash monstrous force to break through obstacles. It's a blend of finesse and raw power. Thanks to its crawler tracks, the excavator can move confidently over mud, rocks, and uneven ground, places where wheeled trucks would quickly get stuck. These tracks distribute the machine's weight, allowing it to glide over soft or unstable surfaces without sinking. But the excavator is more than just a digger. Swap out the bucket for a hydraulic hammer, and it becomes a demolition powerhouse, smashing through concrete and stone with ease. Attach a grapple, and it transforms again, now able to lift, move, and precisely place heavy steel beams or massive logs, making it invaluable for material handling. All this strength comes from its powerful hydraulic system. Oil under immense pressure surges through thick hoses, giving the excavator the muscle to lift tons of material with ease and control. Think of the excavator as a 20-ton Swiss Army knife. With a quick change of attachments, it's ready for any challenge: digging, lifting, breaking, or grading. Its adaptability is unmatched on the job site. It's the master of versatility, turning raw engine power into mighty digging force, and transforming every drop of fuel into progress on the ground. On every construction site, the excavator is the first to break ground and the last to leave, shaping the land from the very beginning to the final touches. The excavator is the backbone of every big build, a symbol of progress, power, and the relentless drive to shape our world. Enter the bulldozer, the heavyweight champion of pushing. Its massive steel blade levels ground, clears debris, and shapes the land for roads and buildings. After the excavator digs, the dozer spreads and smooths the dirt, like butter on toast. Its rear ripper breaks up hard ground, making tough jobs easier. Tracks distribute its weight, letting it crawl over mud, sand, and rough terrain without sinking. The operator, high in a reinforced cab, sculpts the landscape with levers and pedals. The name bulldozer comes from bulldoze, a powerful solution for tough jobs. From building highways to fighting wildfires, dozers are the unsung heroes of construction. Sometimes the best way to solve a problem is to push it aside with overwhelming force. The bulldozer prepares the ground for everything that follows. After digging and pushing, it's time to haul. Enter the dump truck. These giants carry mountains of dirt and rock from site to dump, then tip their beds to unload in seconds. Off-road dump trucks with pivoting frames handle rough terrain and massive loads. Some haul over 400 tons at once. Their reinforced steel beds withstand the harshest punishment. Articulated joints let them twist and turn through mud and bumps where rigid trucks would get stuck. Dump trucks keep the site moving, preventing work from grinding to a halt. A fleet works in a loop load, haul, dump, repeat. Without them, excavators and dozers would have nowhere to put what they move. They're the lifeline of every big project, keeping progress flowing. Simple, repetitive, but absolutely vital. How do these mega machines get to the site? Enter the heavy transport truck. Too big and heavy for roads, excavators and dozers ride on lowboy trailers, engineering marvels with dozens of wheels to spread the load. Loading is slow and precise, with spotters guiding every inch. Once loaded, machines are chained down tight. Safety is everything. Drivers plan routes to avoid low bridges and weak roads, sometimes with escort vehicles clearing the way. These trucks are the logistics backbone, moving giants from site to site. When the job's done, they haul the machines away, ready for the next challenge. Without them, the stars of construction would be stranded. Heavy transport trucks ensure the right machine is always in the right place. They're the quiet professionals behind every big build. The movers make the impossible possible. No mega machine works alone. Construction is a team sport. It starts with a plan. Engineers decide what needs digging, moving, and shaping. The excavator digs, piling dirt and rock. It swivels and loads dump trucks, which haul material away. The bulldozer levels ground, clears paths, and pushes piles for easier loading. Each operator times their moves, keeping the flow constant and efficient. Communication is key. Hand signals, radios, and sharp eyes keep everyone in sync. The heavy transport truck delivers new machines as needed, keeping the operation rolling. This cycle repeats: dig, push, haul, deliver. Teamwork turns chaos into a perfectly graded site, ready for building. Every move is coordinated for safety and speed. Even the biggest jobs rely on cooperation. Together, these machines transform empty land into the foundation of our world. These machines aren't just powerful, they're colossal. The Bagger 293, world's largest excavator, stands taller than the Statue of Liberty and digs millions of cubic feet daily. The Komatsu D575, a superdozer, weighs more than a blue whale and pushes enough dirt to fill a school bus in one pass. The Bell AZ 75710 dump truck hauls 450 tons. Its tires alone are over 13 feet tall. These giants have engines with thousands of horsepower and steel built to withstand relentless punishment. Hydraulic systems operate at pressures over 5,000 psi, 150 times your car tire. Some even have kitchens and bathrooms for their crews. They're not just big, they're technological marvels, built for precision and reliability. Every detail is engineered for strength, endurance, and safety. These are the titans of construction, pushing the limits of what's possible. Working with these giants is serious business. Safety comes first. Operators train for months to master controls, limits, and daily inspections. Huge blind spots mean constant vigilance. Backup alarms and high-visibility vests keep everyone safe. Hard hats, steel-toed boots, and safety glasses are standard gear. Communication is constant. Radios, hand signals, and daily safety meetings keep the team alert. Every move is planned to prevent accidents. Taming these machines takes discipline and teamwork. The goal: everyone goes home safe at day's end. Power is nothing without safety. Why do we need these mega machines? The answer is simple yet profound. They are the backbone of modern civilization, the silent giants that make our way of life possible. Look around. Every road you drive on, every school where children learn, every home that shelters a family, and every hospital that saves lives, all begin with the work of these machines. Without them, our cities and communities would not exist as we know them. They prepare the ground for everything we build, from sprawling farms that feed millions, to solar power plants that light up our nights, to massive water reservoirs that sustain entire regions. Their work is the foundation of progress. Excavators dig deep trenches for power lines, laying the groundwork for the electricity that powers our homes and businesses. Bulldozers clear land for crops and construction, transforming wild terrain into spaces where we can live, work, and grow. What once took hundreds of people weeks or even months to accomplish now takes just one skilled operator a few days, thanks to the incredible power and efficiency of these machines. These machines are true force multipliers, allowing us to build bigger, faster, and safer than ever before. They work together in perfect harmony, each one playing a vital role in the construction process. They're a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless drive to shape the world around us, turning dreams and blueprints into reality. Next time you pass by a construction site, take a moment to look closer. See the teamwork between man and machine, the raw power, and the incredible precision at work. These machines are the first chapter in every new building story, breaking ground and setting the stage for what's to come. They're more than just tools. They're the engines of progress, driving innovation and growth wherever they go. Loud, dirty, and absolutely essential, these machines work tirelessly in all conditions, often unseen and underappreciated, but always vital. They build our world one scoop, one push, one haul at a time, shaping the landscape and laying the groundwork for the future we all share.